Hi my dear students, good day to for all. Welcome to EdStar International School video session. Today we discuss about some problems on sets. Last class we discussed some definitions of sets and set builder form and roster form and something. Okay, come to the lesson. Today we discuss some problems. First, example 1, write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. The given equation can be written as x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, it has a two roots. Then the sum of roots are 1 and the product of root is minus 2. Sum 1 and product minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 1, the sum of two values is plus 1. So, this can be written as x minus 1 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So, x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 2. The roots of the equations are x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. The roster form of this equation is minus 2 comma 1. This is the first problem. So, second example, write the set x such that x is a positive integer and x square less than 40 in the roster form. So, this form is an set builder form to convert a roster form. The required numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The given set in the roster form is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is x square less than 40. So, 1 square equal to 1, 1 is less than 40. 2 square equal to 4, 4 is less than 40. And 3 square is 9, it is also less than 40. 4 square equal to 16, 16 is less than 40. 5 square equal to 25, 25 is less than 40. 6 square equal to 36, less than 40. And 7 square equal to 49, so 49 is greater than 40. So, this form only we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and more than 7 and more than 7 are not the set in this form. Next example, write the set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and etc. in the set builder form. A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and etc. So, this can be written as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and etc. So, this value equal to x such that x equal to n square, where n belongs to n for natural number. So, suppose n equal to 1, 1 square is 4, 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and etc. This set can be written as the another form x such that x is square of natural number. This set can be written as x such that x is square of natural numbers. So, next example, write this set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 in the set builder form. Let A be the given set. Let assume this set in A. So, A equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. So, this can be written as 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 2 divided by 1 plus 2, this 3 can be written as 1 plus 2, 4 can be written as 1 plus 3, 5 can be written as 1 plus 4, 6 can be written as 1 plus 5 and 7 can be written as 1 plus 6. So, this value 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6 and also numerator has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this can be written as x such that x equal to n. This value is n divided by n plus 1, where n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6, because the numerator value 1 to 6. So, 1 to 6. Suppose we put n equal to 7, we get 7 by 1 plus 7. So, this is not in the set. So, next example, match each of the set on the left described in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. PRINCAL 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 3 minus 3. So, this side x such that x is a positive integer and is divisor of 18 and x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. X such that x is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. D, x such that x is an letter of the word principal. Solution, 1 matches to D. This word 1 matches to D, because principal can be written in the set PRINCAL. And the second one, the singleton 0, the second one singleton 0 matches to C, since x plus 1 equal to 1. C, x is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. Since x plus 1 equal to 1, this can be written as x equal to 1 minus 1. So, this positive 1 comes to this side, that value is negative 1 minus 1. So, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So, x equal to 0. We get the singleton 0. So, 2 matches to C. Next one, 3 matches to A, because the divisor of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 8. The divisors means the number 1 divisible by 18, the number 2 divisible by 18, number 3 is divisible by 18, number 6 is divisible by 18, number 9 is divisible by 18 and number 18 is also divisible by 18. So, 3 matches to A. So, next one, fourth one matches to B. Fourth one matches to B. The B is x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. That is x square minus 9 equal to 0. This implies this can be written as x square minus 3 square equal to 0. This is of the form a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So, this implies x equal to minus 3 or x equal to 3. The value we get that 3 comma minus 3. Next we go to the exercise 1.1. The first one, which of the following are set? Justify your answer. The first problem, the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. We know that the beginning with letter J in all the months are January, June, July. So, it is well defined. Yes, it is set, it is a set because the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J is well defined. So, it is set. The next one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So, this problem is not a set, because the talented writers of India, most talented writers of India is not well defined, because talent may be vary from person to person, that is writers to writer. That is, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India is not well defined, because the criteria for determining a writer's talent may vary from person to person. Hence, this is not a set. So, next one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world, 11 cricket batsmen of the world. So, it is not well defined. So, this is also not a set. Reason, the collection of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world is not well defined, because the criteria determining a batsman talent may vary from person to person. So, it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class is well defined, because number of boys is then counted to 40 or 50 or 60, that is. The collection of all boys in your class is then well defined, because you can definitely identify a boy who belongs to this collection. Hence, this collection is a set. So, next problem, the collection of all natural number less than 100. The collection of all natural number less than 100 is a set, because the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and etc. 99, the less than 100. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100 is well defined, because one can definitely identify a number that belongs to this collection. Hence, it is a set. So, next problem, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank spaces. So, 5 is an element of A. So, 5 is an element of A. So, 5 belongs to A. Next, 8. 8 is not an element of A. 8 is not an element of A. So, 8 does not belongs to A. So, 0 is not a element of A. So, 0 does not belongs to A. 4 is element of A. So, 4 belongs to A. Next, the element 2 is an A. So, 2 belongs to A. 10 does not belongs to A. 10 is not an element of A. So, 10 does not belongs to A. So, next problem, write the following sets in roster form. The given problem is an set builder form to convert a roster form. A equal to x such that x is an integer minus 3 less than x less than 7. We know that the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and etc. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here minus 3 less than x less than 7. So, minus 3 less than x 2 less than 7 is 1 to minus 3 to 6. So, that value minus 2 to 6. So, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, x is an integer, value x lies between minus 3 to 7 is minus 2 to this value 6. So, next problem, x is a natural number less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. The less than 6 values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, next problem, c equal to x such that x is an 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. The 2-digit natural numbers are 10 to 99. 10 to 99. The sum of the digit is 8. that is C equal to 17, 1 plus 7 is 8, 26, 2 plus 6 is 8, 35, 3 plus 5 is 8, 44, 4 plus 4 is 8, 53, 5 plus 3 is 8, 62, 6 plus 2 is 8, 71, 7 plus 1 is 8, 80, 8 plus 0 is 8. And more than 81, the sum is not 8. So, the last number is 80. The next problem, D equal to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. D equal to 2, 3, 5 because 60 is divisible by 3. 3 the value 20 and divided by 2 the value is 10 and divided by 2 the value is 5. The value 3, 2, 5 are prime number. So, D equal to 2, 3, 5. Next one, E. So, this problem E equal to set of all letters in the word better. So, E equal to B, E, T, R because E is repeated 2 times and T is repeated 2 times. So, we put E equal to B, E, T, R. So, next problem, write the following set in the set builder form. The given problems are in the form of roster. So, this problem 3, 6, 9, 12 can be written as in set builder form. So, let this problem assumed in A, let A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. So, this value can be written as x such that 3 x equal to 3n, n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4 because 3 into 1 equal to 3, 3 into 2 equal to 6, 3 into 3 equal to 9 and 3 into 4 equal to 12. So, 3 into 5 equal to 15 is not in the set. So, x equal to x such that x equal to 3n, n belongs to n and 1 less than n less than or equal to 4. So, next problem x equal to 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So, this problem let b equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This 2 can be written as 2 power 1, 4 can be written as 2 square, 8 can be written as 2 cube, 16 can be written as 2 power 4, 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So, this can be written as x such that x equal to 2 power n, n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5 because 2 power 1 the value 1 to 5. So, 2 power 1 equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 power 4 equal to 16 and 2 power 5 equal to 32. So, this 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 in set builder form is x such that x equal to 2 power n, n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. Next problem 2, 4, 6, 8 written in set builder form. Let P equal to 2, 4, 6 and etc. This set written as in P. So, this value 2, 4, 6, 8 are even natural numbers. This is even natural numbers. So, x such that x is an even natural number. Otherwise, this can be written as x is an positive even integer. X is an positive even integer. This can be also written as x is an positive even integer. So, next are p equal to x such that x equal to 2n, n belongs to n. So, this can be written as this form. So, next problem list all the elements of the following set A equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. So, A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. So, this value are in set builder form to convert a roster form. So, B equal to x, x is an integer minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. Next problem, this is B equal to x such that x is an integer minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. So, B equal to x such that x is an integer, this minus 1 by 2 written as minus 0.5, this 9 by 2 written as 4.5. The values lies between minus 0.5 to 4.5. The values, integer values lies between minus 0.5 to 4.5. The next, the 0.5 minus 0.5, the next integer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, next problem, D equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So, D equal to LOYA because L can be returned. So, already exist. So, L can be written as only one time is enough. My dear student friends, these problems are your homework problems. The exercise 1.1, the first one, 6th, 7 and 8 and 9 problems. These 4 problems, third subdivision 5th problem and 4th subdivision 5th problem and 5th subdivision 3, 5 and 6 and 6th one match the following. So, match this problem in problems. So, do this problem properly. So, stay home and safe. Thank you very much.